Hello everyone, in this video I will review Slack software. Slack is a popular communication and collaboration platform used by teams to stay connected and organized. It allows users to send instant messages, create channels for different projects, and share files easily. Channels can be public or private, helping teams organize conversations by topic or departments. Slack supports direct messaging for one-on-one communication and group messaging for small teams. The platform integrates with over 2,000 apps, including Google Drive, Trello, Zoom, and Microsoft Office, making workflow management seamless. Slack also offers powerful search functionality, allowing users to find messages, files, and conversations quickly. Notifications can be customized so users stay informed without being overwhelmed. Users appreciate Slack for its user-friendly interface and ability to reduce email clutter. It also supports video and voice calls, screen sharing, and huddles for quick meetings. The mobile app ensures teams can communicate on the go. Slack offers robust security features, including encryption and compliance with industry standards. However, some users find that managing too many channels can become confusing, and notifications can be distracting if not customized. Paid plans offer advanced features such as AI-driven insights, workflow automation, and analytics dashboards. Slack emphasizes security with enterprise-grade encryption and compliance tools. Overall, Slack combines communications, collaboration, and AI-powered productivity tools in one platform. It is suitable for teams of all sizes seeking better workflow management. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.